This time I do have my car powered down. The battery is disconnected, and that's really important before we remove the module. At this point, your module will slide right out. This is what the airbag module looks like for the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you're looking for the part number, that's it right there. If your car was in an accident and you're replacing airbags or seat belts or anything like that, what we can do is reset this module so you don't have to buy a new one. Dealerships might tell you to go ahead and buy a new one from them. We reset the hard codes as well as the soft codes. Once we get it shipped to us, we open it up, we get it processed, reset, tested, and shipped back to you within 24 hours with our warranty.